Welcome to a celebration of speed, style, and precision. Meet the LEGO Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3. With 3,778 pieces, this 1:8 scale supercar model packs real engineering spirit. Inside, a working V12 engine with moving pistons brings life under the hood. An 8-speed sequential gearbox engages via paddle shift. You can steer, shift, and experience the mechanical interplay of a true performance machine. The butterfly doors rise to reveal the cockpit, complete with sculpted details and the Ferrari signature touches. Measuring over 59 centimeters long, approximately 23 inches, and 25 centimeters wide, this model commands presence. Every curve, vent, and line echoes Ferrari's design language. Whether you're a LEGO enthusiast, car lover, or someone who revels in craftsmanship, this is more than a model. It's a tribute, it's passion. It's the Ferrari Daytona SP3 in brick form,